Hello everyone. Here's a short video about the product rule, which we'll look at in class tomorrow. Product rule says if you want to find the derivative of f of x times g of x, you'll do the original first function f of x times the derivative of the second function g prime of x plus the original second function times the derivative of the first function f prime of x. The order here doesn't matter as long as you have every possible combination of a function, one function, and the other derivative. Let's look at a couple examples. Find f prime of x for f of x equals the quantity 3x minus 2x squared times the quantity 5 plus 4x. So 3x squared minus 2x squared, that's our first function. We can think of that as f of x. The second 5 plus 4x squared, that's our second function. We can think of that as g of x. So according to the product rule, we'll do our first function, f of x, 3x minus 2x squared times the derivative of the second function, which is 4, plus the second function, 5 plus 4x, times the derivative of the first function, which is 3 minus 4x. So we have f times g prime plus g times f prime. If you want, you can clean this up a little bit. This would be 12x minus 8x squared plus, if we FOIL, we'll end up with 15 minus 8x minus 16 x squared. So all said and done, we would have negative 24x squared plus 4x plus 15. Let's look at a second example. Find dy dx for y equals 3x squared times sine x. This can be our first function. This would be our second function. So y prime is going to be our first function, 3x squared, times the derivative of the second, cosine x, plus our second function, sine x, times the derivative of the first, 6x. Just rewriting that a little bit, 3x squared, cosine x, plus 6x sine x. And that's a product rule.